Today we're focusing on a particularly intriguing topic, recognizing the signs a younger woman is sexually attracted to you. These signs can be subtle, often veiled in gestures, expressions, or actions that often go unnoticed. Whether you're just curious or deeply interested in understanding these dynamics, I'm here to guide you through decoding these signals. Let's get started. 1. Adjusting her clothes. Notice if she frequently adjusts her clothing in ways that subtly draw attention to her body. This can be a subconscious or deliberate act of flirtation, and can be particularly telling in the context of sexual attraction. By adjusting her clothes to perhaps show a little more skin, or accentuate certain aspects of her body, she might be trying to catch your eye and make a physical statement of her interest. 2. Intense whispering. If a younger woman leans in to whisper in your ear, it can be a sign of sexual attraction. This act creates a moment of intimate closeness, bridging the physical gap between you two. It's not just the act of whispering, but the closeness it entails, being near enough to feel each other's breath and the warmth of a whisper. This intimate gesture can often indicate a desire for closer physical contact, especially significant coming from a younger woman to an older man. 3. Seductive gaze. Pay attention to her eye contact. A lingering, seductive gaze that seems to focus intensely on you, often accompanied by a slight smile, can be a powerful indicator of sexual attraction. This type of gaze is more than just looking. It's an invitation, a way of silently communicating desire. If a younger woman holds your gaze in this way, it's often a clear sign that she's interested in more than just conversation. 4. Suggestive comments. Listen for comments that have a double entendre or a suggestive nature. When a younger woman makes these kinds of remarks, it can be her way of hinting at a sexual interest. These comments might be playful or seemingly offhand, but they are often intentional and a way of testing the waters to see how you respond, especially in the dynamic of an older man and a younger woman. 5. Playful biting. Observe her body language, especially her mouth. Playful biting of her own lip or subtle biting gestures can be classic seductive moves. This nonverbal cue is often used to draw attention to her lips and can be a sign of arousal or sexual interest. It's a flirtatious act that can be particularly suggestive, indicating a level of comfort and attraction in the presence of an older man. 6. Sensual touching. When a younger woman's touches become more sensual and linger longer, such as tracing her fingers along your arm or back, it can be a strong indicator of sexual attraction. This kind of touch is different from casual or friendly contact. It's deliberate and charged with a subtle sensuality. It's a way of exploring physical connection and comfort, often a clear sign that she's attracted to you in a more intimate way, especially in the dynamic of an older man with a younger woman. 7. Intimate questioning. Pay attention to the nature of her questions. If she starts asking more personal and intimate questions, it can indicate a desire to explore a deeper sexual connection. These questions might revolve around your past relationships, your preferences, or even subtly probe your current relationship status. Such questioning suggests she's interested in understanding your sexual side and is possibly looking to establish a more intimate bond with you. 8. Sultry voice tone. A change in voice tone, especially to a softer, more sultry tone, can add a layer of intimacy to the conversation. This tonal shift is often a sign of flirting and can indicate sexual interest. It's a way of creating a more intimate setting through conversation, making her words and the manner in which she speaks them an integral part of her allure. This change in vocal expression, especially from a younger woman to an older man, can be a subtle yet clear indicator of her attraction. 9. Close proximity in seating. If a younger woman consistently chooses to sit unusually close to you, diminishing the personal space barrier, it can be a strong sign of sexual attraction. This close proximity is often a nonverbal cue of her comfort and interest in being near you. By reducing the physical distance, she's creating an intimate space where interactions can become more personal and charged, a clear indication of attraction, especially in the context of an older man, younger woman dynamic. 10. Sensually scented. Notice if she wears a more provocative or noticeable perfume during your encounters. The use of a distinctive, sensually scented perfume can be a way of drawing your attention and leaving a memorable impression. Fragrance is a powerful tool in attraction, and her choice to wear a more alluring scent when around you can be a deliberate effort to appeal to your senses and signify her interest. 11. Detailed compliments. Pay attention to the compliments she gives you. If she offers detailed compliments that focus specifically on your sexual appeal or masculinity, it's a sign she's viewing you through a sexually attracted lens. These compliments might highlight physical features she finds attractive or aspects of your personality that she associates with masculinity. It's a way of openly expressing her attraction and appreciation for your physical and personal traits. 12. Footsie under the table. Engaging in playful footsie under the table is a classic flirtatious and suggestive gesture. This kind of physical interaction is a bold step beyond casual contact and is often laden with playful sexual intent. It's a covert yet intimate way of exploring physical connection and can be a clear indication of her interest in a more intimate relationship, particularly when it's initiated by a younger woman with an older man. 13. Shows off her body. When a younger woman positions herself to deliberately highlight her physique, such as by arching her back or stretching in a suggestive manner, it can be a clear sign of sexual attraction. This behavior is about using body language to draw attention to her physical attributes. It's a non-verbal cue that she's comfortable with her body and may be interested in a more intimate connection, particularly noticeable in the context of her interactions with an older man. 14. Warm, lingering hugs. If her hugs become warmer, longer, and more intimate than what would be considered casual or friendly, it's a strong indication of her sexual attraction. These hugs may feel more personal and intense, possibly with her body pressed closer to yours than usual. This type of physical contact is often a way of exploring and expressing a deeper physical connection, especially in the dynamic between an older man and a younger woman. 15. Revealing personal fantasies. When a younger woman shares her personal fantasies or desires in a conversation, it suggests a level of openness and comfort with her sexuality. This kind of discussion is often intimate and can hint at her interest in exploring these fantasies or desires with you. It's a way of communicating her sexual interests and can be a clear sign that she's attracted to you and possibly interested in a sexual relationship. 16. Mimicking sensual acts. Pay attention to her subconscious actions. If she mimics sensual acts, like slowly stirring her drink or playing with her hair in a suggestive manner while maintaining eye contact, it's often a subconscious indication of her sexual interest. These actions, although seemingly innocuous, can be loaded with intent and are a way of expressing attraction non-verbally. They are often more pronounced in interactions with someone she's sexually attracted to, such as an older man. 17. Casual mention of intimacy. When a younger woman casually brings up topics related to intimacy or sex in conversations with you, it can be a deliberate indicator of her sexual attraction. These mentions may appear offhand or part of the conversation flow, but they are often a way of introducing sexual themes to gauge your reaction and interest. This approach, especially coming from a younger woman to an older man, suggests a level of comfort and intent in exploring a sexual relationship. 18. Seductive photos. If she starts sending you photos that are more suggestive or seductive than usual, it's a clear signal of her sexual interest. These images are a step beyond casual selfies. They are intended to attract and tease. This kind of visual communication is a direct approach to showing her attraction, especially in a dynamic where she might feel more cautious about verbalizing her interest directly to an older man. 19. Invitation to private spaces. An invitation to more private, intimate spaces, like her apartment or a secluded spot, is a significant sign of sexual attraction. This move indicates a desire for privacy and intimacy, suggesting that she's comfortable with the idea of being alone with you in a more personal setting. It's an indication that she's interested in progressing the relationship beyond public or casual settings, especially in the context of an older man, younger woman dynamic. Now that you know the signs of attraction, take a deeper dive with the hidden signs a woman hasn't had sex for a while, or understand how to tell if she's flirting or just being friendly. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for tuning in.